KoikiMedia, bringing the work closer to your doorstep. Today is the 9th of May 2025 on a Good Friday. This is our new purchased drone. Our new purchased drone. As you can see, newly purchased drone. Accessories. Okay. That's the pad.
The arm charger. That's the arm charger.
Okay.
The drone itself.
Okay.
And the propellers, extra propellers.
Propellers, okay.
Just in case. Inside is batteries.
Okay. You can open it and check. Just okay, two extra batteries. Okay, the battery rack is for 3 if you want to charge the 3 battery at the same time. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now we start charging. When this one is fully charged, it moves to the next one.
Let me see, this one has lights. It doesn't have. Sorry. It doesn't have a chip.
Okay.
Mistake. This is this thing where you want it.
Okay.
I'm owning the part.
Okay.
Yes.
The camera is moving already.
Yes. English missed. Agreed.
Region, I think it's Nigeria.
You think Nigeria is here? Nigeria is not here.
You will have it.
Nigeria.
Nigeria will be there.
Okay, let's search.
For N.
No, something like Nigeria here.
It's still Nigeria, yeah.
You just go for United States.
It's not Nigeria, yeah.
It's not Nigeria.
Our country.
South Africa is there, all of them is there. As a matter of fact, one man came to this my office from Egypt.
United States.
Or which of them? United Kingdom or
United States.
United States.
Either United States or United Kingdom. Any of the two. That's language, right? You're talking about language. Yeah, United Kingdom is United States is okay.
Did you use Wi-Fi? Connect it to another one.
No, just in case. I don't think. No, I don't. No network.
Connected.
No, it's requested for. Or it's requesting for.
Put this one.